Hey there, I'm Chanti Zak. I'm a quiz funnel strategist, growth coach, and the chief evangelist at Interact. And I'm going to talk to you today about how big of a deal it is that you're embarking on this creative process of building an asset that is going to help your business a long time coming. I've created and helped students create hundreds of lead generation quizzes in every industry under the sun and with every level of experience. And through that, there are some things I've learned that I'd love to share with you. The most important one being every single person, whether they identify as a creative or it's something they struggle with, when they sit down to build a quiz, they feel often overwhelmed, fearful of being judged, of not being good enough. All this mindset stuff comes up, and it's completely normal. It comes up for me too. Every time I sit down to work on something that I know is going to be important and make a big difference in my business, it's the mental hurdles that pose the biggest challenge. So if you start moving through this process and you're working through this course and you hit a wall where the voice in your head says, "What are you even doing?" I want you to acknowledge that voice, but let it know it's not the boss of you. You're here for a reason. You're creating a quiz because you know that building an email list, knowing more about your audience is so important. And it is going to help you, not just for the next few months after you launch your quiz, but it's going to help you for the entirety of your business journey. It is so worth it. And there's no rule book that says you have to finish this within 2 weeks or even a fiscal quarter. You are on your own timeline. Everything you need to create your quiz has been laid out step by step in the Interact course. So please download your workbook. And if any of those big feelings come up, trust that they are normal and that you are bigger than any amount of fear or overwhelm. You have community here. So check out the quiz coaching, check out that community, and have fun with it. This is a big deal, and I know it's going to help you so much as you build an online business that gives you a sense of freedom and purpose and anything else that resides under your definition of success. I'll see you in the next video.